sticky situation, sticky situation, sticky.
Hello, everyone. It is me, Tyra, aka Sticky, and it is a sticky situation. Nothing has been more true than what is going on in the world now, as far as us all being in somewhat of a sticky situation. But that's life, you know. I really didn't want to come on for anything in particular, but to say I miss you guys. I really do miss making videos, but just getting adapted to everything. And to be honest with you guys, because to keep it, if I can talk, to keep it completely 100 and transparent, and so I've been lazy as hell. Try not to cuss these days as much, but I've been very lazy, very in my head, as I tend to do, to where I live out these visualizations or these fantasies or whatever you want to call them in my head, and I can stay in my head so much instead of doing things. That is what I'm learning about my procrastination, and I've done that pretty much my whole life. I can think of specific fantasies that I used to have when I was a kid that, I mean, I would just get wrapped up into them and tell a story, which is really a part of manifestation. Don't get me wrong, but you don't want to live in your head. You know, you have to have that inspired action and actually do things, which I'm not doing. But I had recorded a video on Easter Sunday, and for whatever reason, my computer would not upload it correctly from my phone, and yeah, so that blew that motivation to do it. But in the meantime, I did want to thank everyone, before I forget, that has subscribed to me even through all of this. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I really, really, really appreciate it, more than you guys ever know. It means a lot to me. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now, as well as that notification bell, so you are notified when I do upload a video. But I just kind of wanted to come in and chat with everyone, make sure everyone is okay. I've been praying for people's peace of mind during all of this. Not so much for mine, because I'm going to be honest with you guys, and this is going to come off wrong, and my guy, he gets on me about it because I'm real nonchalant about this, or it comes off as nonchalant, but I just don't fear these types of things, and I don't allow myself to get caught up in the chaos of things. Like, I'm not that person that's running out and buying up all the toilet paper and things like that, and I don't do that in anything. I just can't worry about things I have no control over. Now, what I have control over is following the rules of the CDC and of, you know, the doctors and whatnot, and practicing social distance and all of that stuff, because I do not want to get anyone sick. Now, I'm not that far from it, you know, detached from it. I do not want to get anyone sick, so I do follow the rules in that. But beyond that, I'm not concerned. I know that everything is for a purpose. Even the shitty things, as I always say, everything is always working out for my good. Even the not so fun things. And this is. If anything, it has taught me to sit my butt down. And the funny thing is, I actually put on my manifestation list of one of the things is that I wanted to work from home. Well, guess what I get to do? Work from home. And this just leads me to believe, and the old saying is, you have to be careful what you wish for, because now I'm working from home, but my kids are there too, so it isn't like it's a vacation. And then I do miss the camaraderie and the day-to-day routine of being with my coworkers. So, you know, it's that thing, be careful what you wish for. But nonetheless, I really just wanted to come on and let you all know that I am okay, and I hope you are as well. And we'll get through this, everyone. We'll get through this. Still be out here, you know, with your intentions as far as what you would like to manifest during this time, and finding ways to be positive. You know, I love the gym, and I have not been able to go to the gym, and that for me mentally is very, very hard. But You know, I'm finding other ways to kind of get some exercise in. I'm not eating the best, but you know what? I'm not going to allow myself to be stressed out about it, and it's okay. But just finding ways to be positive even in the midst of all this uncertainty that we're going through. But anyway, I pulled up to my second job. Yes, I have a second job, which gets me out of the house. I'm supposed to be there at 4. I might be a little, like a minute late. But nonetheless, I thank you all again. I'm going to make another video. I'm going to do this. Usually I do good when I'm in the car, and see, I haven't been in the car going to work. So I haven't been able to make any videos. But I promise myself, and I'm going to be accountable to myself for making more videos. I'm going to have a lot of topics that I would like to discuss. But nonetheless, you all take care of yourself. Be safe. Stay home if you have to, if you can, I should say. Please stay home. Love up on those kids, your hubby, your wives, whatever. Take time for yourself to go outside, take walks, things of that nature. But please just take care of yourself and be safe. We'll get through this. Once again, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and any comments. I love to converse with everyone. And in the meantime, in between time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.